FBI raid in Roblox. So, first time I'm doing like a voice recording thing.
47 road.
Team, stack up. All mark 6. Reach ready, eyes sharp, and move out.
So where are we going? Like, hello? Okay.
TOC, this is entry team. We have a dead suspect.
Roger that. EMTs are waiting, all clear. Get down! Hands in the air! Get down! Hands in the air!
TOC, this is entry team. Civilian secured and ready to evacuate.
Roger that. Trailer standing by.
This is entry team. We have a dead suspect.
Roger that. EMTs are waiting, all clear.
TOC, this is entry team. We have a dead suspect.
Whoa, so many dead suspects.
Roger that. EMTs are waiting, all clear.
But alive. Notify the EMTs.
Subscribe, by the way.
Roger that. EMTs are waiting, all clear.
TOC, this is entry team. Civilian is injured but alive.
Folded.
Notify the EMTs.
Roger that. EMTs are waiting, all clear.
By a gun or something. So basically it's all clear now. Whoa, what the hell? This one guy. Rip him. Okay, so I think it's clear. Alright. Buddy, don't even... Oh, he hasn't gone to the basement yet. You go that way, I go this way. Okay, I'll clear
Get
them.
down! Hands in the air! Get down! Hands in the air! Hands in the air! Get down! Hands in the air!
This is entry team. Civilian is injured but alive. Notify the EMTs.
Roger that. EMTs are waiting, all clear.
What are y'all shooting at? Rip my guy. He got folded too. ¿Cómo estás? Hello, hello. Hello. It is raining hard. Hello. I think we're good. What's that? So you still didn't take the dead bodies out? Gotcha. Just have to make sure, you know. You know how to make sure? Shoot it! Shoot it! What else are we? Oh, secure the hard drive. Where is this? Hello, camera. Here it is. Tap! I'm tapping! Secure evidence. Yeah, bro, it's not working, so I'm just gonna do it flashbang. So this is oh, it's automatic! Oh no, so what's over here? Who puts their TV so far up here? I'm not even for axe. Need a laser. You guys got the hard drive yet? Cause I'm just here waiting for it to be finished. You can hear the rain in the background. I'm sorry. I don't know if it's out loud. Yeah. You folded. Hello? What are you? Who are you? Some type of ghost spirit? Where'd all my people go? Like, the FBI thingamajiggies. You know? What the? Again, if you haven't already, make sure to like and subscribe. Please help me out. So yeah. Who are you shooting? Fire! Oh, I have to reload into this too. Pop it outside.
Congratulations, entry team. You have successfully passed your mission. Report back to the station for briefing.
Yes, sir.